Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish, and I'm back with another video. In this video, this is gonna be one of, I think, like a 3-part video where I just break down my trading strategy. It's basically a VWAP it's basically a VWAP and EMA like pullback strategy, and in which I just use the two as the VWAP and the EMA cloud as a confluence and wait for price to reject or to bounce off that. So yeah, but I'll go into that. So first I'll just break down what the tools I'm using for this strategy is. First is the VWAP, which is the average trading price for the day. Basically just tells you like where most trades are happening. It acts like a magnet. Most pullbacks will take place around the VWAP, so it's always just a good place to look for like a retest or pullback. And so my next tool is the EMA cloud, and which is just a faster EMA over a slower EMA, or a slow EMA over a slightly faster EMA, I think. And this basically just creates this cloud zone that just shows where trend is going, or where the market is trending. I have the 8 EMA and the 21 EMA. So basically when the VWAP and the EMA cloud come together, or when they're by each other, they create a confluence where we can expect pullbacks or dips, but just a very good spot to enter a trade. So the core of my strategy is basically to look at market at higher time frames, figure out like what is trend, what direction is market going, just looking if higher highs are being made, stuff like that. Then wait for a pullback to the EMA VWAP, and then lastly look for a confirmation candle. This is anything from an engulfing candle, a inverse head and shoulders. A head and shoulders, depending on like which way you're trading, puts or longs. But I think I should look for an example. One example I had earlier today. Unfortunately, I was at the gym, so I could not take this myself, but one example of this I seen today was when there is a engulfing candle here, and it managed to hold the VWAP and hold the EMA cloud. This is honestly, I would say this is a I would say this is a B setup. Like, there will be much better setups that I will show you, but for now this is one I seen today. Yeah, but that is an idea of my strategy, and but yeah, that is basically the basics, or like core principles of my strategy. And then next videos I'll go into like how exactly I use the VWAP and EMA cloud, how I grade my setups, risk management principles I am using and starting to use, and how I use multiple time frames, and how do I balance them. But I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys have a good one, but stay bullish.